I'm Sherry Carter with the Backhoe Loader Product Group at Caterpillar. Today we're going to take a look at the new 416 F2. Changes that you'll see on the F2 from the F series have to do a lot with the operator station and the cab. There's new enclosure for the fuel tank, but we're continuing the success that we've had on the F series with performance on the front, and of course the hydraulics and the load sensing flow sharing system that we've been known for at Caterpillar. For the 416 F2, the loader arms did stay the same as what you saw on the F series. Again, a lot more lift capacity, more breakout forces, and about 7 inches higher reach. We maintained the cooler clean out that you have on the front. And again, underneath the flap, you want to make sure you locate the battery disconnect switch, which comes standard on all the CAT backhoe loaders. This right here, this machine is equipped with the front fender. The front fender helps prevent mud and debris from flying up against your windshield, impairing visibility down to the front. And it is optional, and it does come standard with this step. That's really great for the service access here on the front. The hood release has moved on the F2 series. It used to be located down here underneath the cab and has been relocated inside the cab on the console. So when you're doing service checks, you simply climb up on top. We've increased the surface area here on the step for a little bit more security, raise the hood, and you have all your service points located right together. Another thing about the new step design is that we've added a bottom step here with a breakaway panel. So if you ever hit anything underneath the machine that's hard or rigid, you're not going to have problems with this step bending as much or breaking. We redesigned the grab handles on the side. So if you have the machine sitting up high while you're working, you're going to be able to come here and have good 3-point contact when you're getting inside the cab. Again, this machine is equipped with a canopy top and open ROPS. If you are looking to get an enclosed cab, then you can contact your dealer for more information. Things that you're going to see on the cab more so is a rigid look to it and some flat glass on the way around the side, except for the front, to maintain visibility over the loader arms. Visibility did increase coming out to the front and down to the buckets because of the new redesign of the cab. Standard features between the canopy and the open ROPS machine include the tilt steering wheel here, which just makes it easier for the operator to get situated if you're doing a lot of roading or truck loading. The gauge cluster on the 416 F2 is very similar to what you had on the 416 F series backhoe loader. It includes your coolant temperature, your fuel, and your tachometer. On the gauge cluster itself, it also has the hour meter. There's other diagnostics that you can do once you hook up to the machine itself. On the outside, another thing that we've improved here is the fender coverage over the tires. So we redesigned not only just for aesthetics, but also to make sure that whenever you have mud or debris coming up, it actually comes up and over and it doesn't interfere or get inside the cab. Additional features on the F2 backhoe loader include a keypad. It gives you the ability for the owner or owner of a fleet to program codes for each operator. Just additional security on the job site whenever you're not with the machine. Another feature that you'll see is on the loader control. We've actually moved the differential lock control up to the loader lever, which gives a nice, easy entrance into the cab with the movement of the step here for the diff lock up to the loader joystick. The stick on the F2 backhoe loader is the same as what you had on the F series. Things that we did change, we cleaned up the hose routings on the top. So if you were to add the combo lines, which gives you the feature of either operating one-way or two-way flow hydraulic tools in the back, you're going to have a lot cleaner looking lines on the back. Other things that's probably really good to point out is we've changed the disconnects, the couplings here on the back. We've changed them to a twist to connect. So it's much easier. You don't actually have to relieve the pressure from your machine or your tool before you connect or disconnect like you used to on some of the other models. This machine is equipped with a mechanical coupler. This is a dual lock coupler that came out earlier on in F series, which allows you to change out between the hydro-mechanical tools on the back end or just between different bucket sizes. The 416 F2 again comes standard with a battery disconnect located at the front of the machine. And with that, we also have standard the jump post. So your positive would connect here and your ground here on the back side. On this side of the machine, you have a nice large toolbox. So if you have chains or additional tools that you'd like to carry, you could carry anything right here on this side, and you can actually lock it with a padlock for security. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about the 416 F2 backhoe loader. For more information on the new 416 F2 backhoe loader, please contact your local CAT dealer.